Hello everybody, I'm Lee from Zelter, and this here is the new and improved upgraded version of the Zelter Shelter. This is available now on Amazon Launchpad. If you go to amazon.co.uk, it's available. They've got an awesome price, international shipping. You know, they do a great job. If you're buying from Amazon, you're gonna get it fast and easy. So quickly, what we've got is a new and improved upgrade version that's got upgrades for weatherproofing and comfort. So we have storm flaps covering the entrance, storm flap on the hood. We have welded reinforcing patches on all these tie downs on the peaks and corners. And also, if you're a tall user, you'll love this. We have a bigger toe bulge in the end, more foot room, more comfort for anybody inside. So basically available now from amazon.co.uk. Comfort, weatherproofing, everything you need. You can check out any links in the bio or in the video that's out here. We'll send you there. But yeah, Amazon, UK site, search for Zelter Shelter. You're on it. These guys will set you right up.